Hello everyone, this is Dr. N.Senthil Madasamy, Associate Professor Computer Science Engineering. Great pleasure for me to welcome you all for this session.
In this session, topic to be covered is second part of mobile operating system. At the end of Unit 5, the students will be able to comprehend steps involved in investigating mobile forensics with case studies. At the end of the session, the students will be able to understand Symbian OS, Research in Motion, RIM OS, Windows Phone, and other mobile operating systems.
In the previous session,
we learned about Android OS. Under this, we have discussed Android file system, Samsung Galaxy, Android evidence, chip-off, Android security, Android forensics tools, and Android applications. In this session, we are going to see about other mobile operating systems, Symbian OS, Research in Motion, RIM OS, Windows Phone. Under this, Windows Phone applications and other mobile operating systems. Symbian OS is an operating system developed by Nokia and currently maintained by Accenture. Symbian was the most popular mobile operating system as of 2012. Although the Android was the fastest growing OS, Symbian OS can be found on Nokia, Sony Ericsson, Samsung, Hitachi handsets to name but a few. However, the Nokia has been moving away from Symbian OS in favor of Windows OS. The Nokia has transferred support for Symbian OS to Accenture. Research in Motion, RIM OS, is the operating system developed by Research in Motion, RIM, for use on BlackBerry smartphones and tablets. Although they are limited, BlackBerry APIs are available to allow for third-party development. BlackBerry OS is now open source system. However, because the many organizations issue their employers BlackBerry devices, these smartphones can provide a wealth of evidence. The BlackBerry was developed with corporate productivity in mind, so this device can attain internet access through various data plan but can also work in Wi-Fi hotspot. In fact, with the BlackBerry 7.1 OS, the device can connect to hotspot and then become a mobile hotspot for up to 5 devices. BlackBerry Tablet OS is operating system developed for the BlackBerry Playbook tablet computer. Unlike the Google's Android OS, which runs on handset manufactured by a wide variety of providers, RIM OS works only on BlackBerry devices. Important for an investigator to understand that even without access to BlackBerry handset, the investigator can access a wealth of handset evidence from the computer that a suspect or victim synced to. Windows Phone is a Microsoft operating system that can be found on personal computers, mobile phones and tablets. It resides on mobile phones manufactured by HTC, Samsung, Nokia and others. Examining Windows smartphones can be problematic and often requires a DAC to download data from handset. The good news is that the files downloaded using JTAG and NTFS and don't need to be converted. Internet Explorer Mobile is the web browser based on the Internet Explorer 9 found on Windows. The People Hub is an address book tool found on the Windows Phone devices that can synchronize contacts from the social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Windows Phone support POP and IMAP email protocols, including Hotmail, Gmail, and Yahoo and can sync contacts in calendars from these services. Shun is an application used for managing the multimedia files on Windows Phone devices. As one would expect, the .wmv files are supported, so too are AVI, MP4, MOV, and 3GB and 3GB2 file formats. Windows Phone applications. Ping Mobile is the search engine included with Windows Phone. Tell Me is a Microsoft tool found on Windows Phone, which is used for recognition commands for ping searches, to call contacts, or to activate applications. Ping Map is a vehicle navigation system that comes with Windows Phone. Office Hub coordinates Microsoft Office applications and documents. The Microsoft Office Mobile includes Excel Mobile, Word Mobile, PowerPoint Mobile, and SharePoint Workspace Mobile, all of which are compatible with desktop version of the Microsoft Office. Other mobile operating systems. There are some other operating systems that an investigator may encounter. PADA is an operating system that was developed by Samsung Electronics that run PADA OS usually have Wave in the name. Some mobile phones also run Linux OS. For example, the Nokia N900 smartphone's operating system is Memo 5, which is Linux based, but it can run full Linux OS. Some people refer to this device as hacker phone. In this summary, we learned about Symbian OS, Research in Motion RIM OS, Windows Phone under this, Windows Phone applications, and other mobile operating systems. I mentioned references here.
I hope you found this video is clear about the topic I lecture. Thank you and have a pleasant day.